we are cleaning up the floor because we are having a bunch of cabinets coming in and they're going to be in boxes. They're going to take up a whole fucking floor full of shit. We also got their fucking trash dumpster. And Nurse is out there loading that motherfucker up already and shit. Bay Disposal is the cheapest fucking trash pickup fucking dumpster fuckers out here. So we got us a trash dumpster. And so now we can do the final cleanup of the garage and all the other shit laying around. We're gonna fucking get cabinets in today. It's just a matter of time if I'm about to break my little office down. Because as soon as I get them cabinets in, I'm going to start ripping that shit out the boxes and start installing some cabinets. So I can go ahead and get my plumbing and all that shit hooked up, my dishwasher back in line hooked up. And then I'm going to go ahead on and start putting the floor down in here. And I still got to fucking do that, take that chimney out of the fucking ceiling and out of the roof and shingle that spot in the roof, put a piece of plywood up there and some tar paper right there. So that's where we're at today, the beginning of day 34. And we'll go ahead on in here and I want to finish installing the baseboard I started yesterday in the bathroom. Go ahead and shoot that shit up to the wall and FEMA seal it up to the tub and everything. Get that going and put that piece of PVC quarter round down against the tub right there that I got to put down. And then maybe even set the toilet today. I might go ahead on and start sealing up the gaps in that shower stall, caulking around the shower. Just whatever it takes to go ahead on and get the bathroom done. That's where I'm going to be working right now. Start putting some of the cutting and putting some of the trim back up around the doors, trying to get the doors back on the closet. Get this room knocked out the way. Take that vent down out of the ceiling and spray paint it and all that shit. All right, so the scrap guy that's left. And all the fucking trash, most of us, all the trash is in the trash dumpster now. And we pulled a bunch of that shit down from up in the fucking top of the garage. All the scrap metal went out with the scrap guy. Shit's going in the fucking trash can. There was a fucking circular hole in the fucking roof where the fucking chimney went through. So that was cut out and put back in. And then there was two 2x4 legs installed underneath of it. Hooked to the rafters and shit to support it. Now, there's a hole in the ceiling. I'm going to go ahead on and take some of this sheetrock and plug that fucking hole right there. And the cabinet guy came and I've got all my fucking kitchen cabinets, upper and lower kitchen cabinets are here. That's about ready for that. So they're going in and gonna go ahead on and fix that hole right there. Clean that shit up from the attic. I'm gonna finish my bathrooms probably. I don't know if I'm gonna start fucking hanging cabinets today or not, but so this there cabinets. You got like one of those lazy Susan thing that you can turn in the corner so it utilizes the corner and everything. So that's all my kitchen Diamond Now brand Arcadia style fucking cabinets. It'll look like that. That's what we got going in the kitchen. Once we get all these in, then I'll be able to go in and start putting down my hardy backer, and I'm going to go to the local Habitat for Humanity store and buy some tile. Hopefully I can get them for like 25 or 30 cents a square. And put those down, considering the laminate floor, the floating floor runs around $3 and something a square foot. So the cost of the tile, material-wise, will be less. And if you're going to put a fucking granite countertop on all new cabinets and everything, it doesn't make sense to put some floating floor or anything vinyl down there. It's might as well just get in here and do it right. And it's going to lay out nicely. If you look, each one of these fucking squares is the size of a tile. They go all the way from that fucking wall straight across, just like that. So that's gonna be perfect. Just gotta fight that refrigerator a little bit, move that bitch around. So that's where we're at right now. I'm getting ready to go ahead on and fucking plug this hole in the fucking ceiling. All this shit's getting cleaned out between the garage and every fucking thing. It's unbelievable how much fucking shit was piled between there. A lot of it's already in the trash dumpster. But these fucking flat screen TVs and all kinds of shit. It's unreal. A lot of shit. The dude was using the place like a trash dump. That's how much shit's already in the trash can. We'll just keep on rolling. I'm getting ready to go in here now and patch this fucking hole in the ceiling. Alright, so here we are, we're gonna mount this fucking toilet. So I'm gonna pull this fucking I scraped all that shit off that's the old cast iron shit pipe. First of all, I made sure that I put my baseboard in and I caulked all around that motherfucker. I'm using a thick wax ring with a fucking rubber flange. And I scraped as much of the old shit down even. There we go. Now, we're gonna fucking bring this fucking toilet in here and drop that bitch. So you're gonna carry this bitch in here, one person. You're gonna line it up with the fucking bolts coming up out of the fucking flange. And smash that motherfucker down until they come up out of the hole. Get your shit fucking lined up with the wall like it's supposed to be. That's right. Now all you gotta do is hook up your supply line and fucking put your bolts on it and your fucking bottom caps. Turn your fucking water on and fucking take a shit and make sure that you push the right button, not the left one. Now we're at the end of day 34. And I put a piece of PVC cord around down there. And I sealed around all the baseboard in case the toilet overflows or water gets out of the bathtub. It doesn't get down under the subfloor between that and the hardy board. Their double button pump shitter is fucking in place. That's all fucking done. The vanity is caulked in. And the only thing that's left to do in here now is get some door trim to go around these doors. I'm gonna put that in tomorrow. And go on and get the doors back on. And at this point, what I'm doing is fucking I'm laying that on my cabinets. Trying to figure out what cabinet goes where. So pretty much, I'm pretty sure this is where it goes. Now, I had to ask for another 30-inch cabinet to go up over top of the stove. I got a tall one, and that's not right. So I think I'm going to go ahead and I've decided to get some more of these handles and put those on these cabinets. So that little one that's going to go over there, it's going to have a little spacer or fill area there. Then you got your main one, which where your sink and shit's going to go. This cabinet right here is the 27-inch cabinet. It's going up there. That fucking turntable Lazy Susan thing's going in the corner down at the bottom, but I'm going to have to build a pedestal because it didn't come with one. That little cabinet is going to the left of the sink. Another little one right there. That stops right at the baseboard for the range. And then that's your corner cabinet for up at the top up there. Your 24-inch fucking cabinet to the left and a small one to the right. That's going to leave a couple of inches space between the cabinet and the fucking trim board on the window and shit. So let's get a little look at that shit. All right. Right here we have our doors that are going back on the closet in the bathroom. I'm going to go ahead and take some of the extra leftover door handles that are from that pantry and put that on them. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. Oh, also, Urge fucking cleaned up a bunch of shit out here. Man, filled the whole trash dumpster up almost in one day. It's a working fucker. He's back here cleaning up all this bullshit back here in the corner. Great day. Pulling it all out, separating it out in piles. Great day. Fucking picking all that shit up. Cleaning up, fucking cutting up trees, brush, pulling shit out from around here. It rained a little while ago and their roof didn't leak, so that's a good thing. Motherfuckers throwing trees in their fucking tray up in the dumpster and shit. You got a fucking TV right there. You gotta hook that bitch over the fucking hill. So he'll have all that shit in the trash can tomorrow and be out here with a sledgehammer busting his driveway up. She fucking works hard like that. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get-Go TV. Hit the little notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. If you got any questions, leave a question in the comment section and I'll return your question, or leave a question at peninsulaimp@gmail.com, which is also in the channel description. Hit the like button and subscribe. Watch some of the other 330 videos that we've uploaded. And stay tuned this weekend for another rust restoration. I gotta pick what it's gonna be. It's probably gonna be a battle axe or a knife or something. Also, some of the YouTube people, the YouTubers out there are sending me some other shit, and so we'll have a shout out about that. But there's their bathroom, their double shitter flusher, all of our fucking baseboard down, their fucking cooled around, their tile. We are very close to finishing this bathroom. All I gotta do now is shim that fucking stall right there and put some tub and tile seal in there, and we'll be rocking on that shit. So stay tuned tomorrow for day 35, and it's Friday, so we'll be hitting the trail and getting the fuck out of here. I hear my boy out there, he just cranked the chainsaw up. He gonna fucking see out there sawing up trees and shit. So he really did fucking, he filled that son of a bitch up right now. So see you tomorrow on day 35. Have a good day.